When it's 200. Right. Okay.
Little freaking
I
game.
want my gun.
Woo, look at all those guns.
I am not safe without my gun. Okay.
There's your partner. The guy who woke you up. The guy who scared the hell out of everyone.
Wait.
What's so important about this chick that the cops can't pick her up?
I'm gonna shoot you if you do that again. You freak me out again. I'm gonna shoot you in the head. And I'll bash that fire extinguisher.
Yep, there you go.
Hey, where's my gun? Wait! I didn't get my gun yet. Hey! There you go. Thank
Who
you.
was freaking out without a gun? That's so sad. He's supposed to follow
Oh
you.
yeah. Do that again, and I swear to God, I am going to kill you.
Just go.
So where am I going?
You're supposed to go inside the building.
What
There.
building? This building?
Go to the entrance of the building. That's not even
What
the
building?
See that
Okay, so there you go, the fountain.
What'd you say? This way, huh? All right, we're heading inside.
Yeah, okay, so we're going
We're gonna pick up this
inside of a building.
woman.
What
Press
am I gonna do?
A.
Press X.
It's locked down. Maybe we should look
What the hell?
Just look for another way.
Close
Oh,
open.
yeah.
Close open.
There! That's a
Nope.
way in. Ah, nuts.
Your guys with buffy armors. There, the coffee.
How do I reload?
Dum.
Ah, there you go. Okay.
Oh, coffee.
Oh,
works.
there. See, it's a cafe with...
Hey, Tom, somebody wasted a janitor in the men's room. Point blank in the back of the head.
Ah,
Oh, that was
Ow.
me.
you weren't even in the building.
Just about the blood. Hustle it up, people.
Okay, there you
Yeah.
go.
Yeah,
Up
whatever.
you
So
Up the stairs you go.
we're going up the stairs.
Oh,
And
shit.
whoa.
No,
What
you're
is that?
stalking. Don't worry.
Oh,
Yeah, okay,
shit.
so...
Lock, dude.
Oh,
You
it's
really
low.
wanna climb all those stairs, yeah.
Whatever.
Jump down
Okay,
there.
so I jump down.
No, there. You see that?
Where?
There. See, there's a door.
Oh, there you go. So it's a door.
Okay.
What the hell?
There's a flashlight.
How do you use a
Press up.
flashlight? Oh, there you go.
go.
A
Ah.
flashlight.
And there should be some items there you can use.
Yep, lots of items.
Nope.
My god, that freaky little game.
Whoa.
Beckett was admiring the
What the?
No, that's your comrade.
What?
It's actually your leader. Go.
Okay, how do I crouch?
X.
Crouch. No,
X.
R.
Or.
What's...
The hell?
There. No.
Oops. Okay, I'm still learning the controls, so... How do I crouch?
What is the freaking game is here?
Okay... I
Jump!
cannot crouch. Wait, how did I do it in...
They
middle
were
of water?
teaching you. You weren't reading. Look what happened.
I was too scared to read.
Try Y.
Okay, why? Ah, my nuts. Ah! Crouch, damn it!
And